Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at how you can download the new Call of Duty Warzone 3 on your PC. It's a free to play game, so let's check this out. To download Warzone 3, head to the official website of Call of Duty. callofduty.com is the official website of Warzone 3. After landing on this page, navigate to the top menu and hover over Games, and then click on COD Warzone. It will take you to the download page of Warzone 3. You can play Warzone 3 on PlayStation, Xbox, Steam and Battle.net, which is the official gaming platform of Warzone 3. But in this video, we are going to use Steam because this is the most popular platform among PC gamers. So let's click on Steam. On the next page, you need to select your date of birth. You have to be at least 18 years old to play the game. This will take you to Steam page of Warzone 3. Here, scroll down a bit and then click on Play Game. If you don't have the Steam desktop app, just click on No and then download and install the app. Once you have the Steam app installed, log into your Steam account. We are going to use the Steam app to download the game. After you have set up Steam, click on Play Game again. Then you should see this pop-up showing how much space it will take on your hard drive. This game file is around 70 GB, which is somewhat larger, so make sure you have good internet speed to download the game without interruptions. Now you can go to Steam download page and wait for the download and installation to finish. After the installation, you will see a new item in your Steam library for Call of Duty. Warzone 3 is a Call of Duty game. To launch the game, just hit the play button. Once you launch the game, you'll have to log into your Activision account. If you do not have an Activision account, you can create a free one from here. This is required because your game progression will be saved on your Activision account. Then, you'll have to accept various terms and conditions. After that, you should land on the main Call of Duty game. Now, all you have to do is to go on the HQ tab. Then scroll down to the Warzone game section. From here, you can select which Warzone game you want to play. Warzone is available as a non-paid Call of Duty game that any player can download and play. You can choose from 3 different Warzone game modes and these are entirely free to play. First, you have Battle Royale, where you have to fight until the very end and be the last soldier or team standing as the size of the playable area shrinks. The next mode is Resurgence. Resurgence is a smaller spin-off mode for the Battle Royale, taking place in much smaller maps, with matches being considerably shorter. The other game mode is called Warzone DMZ, where you will have to work with a team to accomplish various missions and earn rewards. You can also start private matches, which will allow you and your friends to play Battle Royale matches against each other without letting random players join in the lobby. Just select which Warzone game you want to play. I am going to play Warzone Battle Royale. Then it will show you a message that some DLC files are missing. That is because to play Warzone 3, you have to download the base title, that is Warzone 2. It's around 10 GB. Just click on it to download and install. Once downloaded, you will be able to get into a lobby and start playing Warzone 3 on your PC or laptop.
contract.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.